A very good morning to all the students. Students, today we'll be learning a new poem, Modern Machinery. Students, a poem which is going to say what machine makes our life. The poet is trying to say how different our lives have become since we have got modern and become more like machines and less as humans. So, today let's see what the poem has to tell us. So, we are taken from the raw bed and the mine. We are melted in the furnace and the pit. We are cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filled and tooled and got to fit. Now, here are becoming and they are talking to you. We are taken from the ore bed and the mine. Ore bed, it is a raw product, raw material from where you get your iron, your steel, your aluminium. Then we are melted in the furnace and the pit. So they put into heavy fire, lot of heat, and they're melted. We are cast and wrought and hammered to design. They are been beaten up, twisted, turned, and they're been designed. We were cut and filled and tooled and got to fit. We were turned, they were turned and they were given like shape and design and beaten up like edges, make them straight so that they go into the smallest hole and then come out from another end and melted again, heated. So this all things is done to an ore. Okay, ore is a raw material. If I have to tell you in simple words, okay, every day morning you eat chapati. Do you directly get the chapati round? No. What your mother does, first of all, if you have to get a chapati, she has to bring the wheat. The whole wheat is brought, washed, cleaned, dried, and given for ground to make it as a flour. The flour is bought at home, then it is mixed with as required quantity of water, made a dough. Then what it is done, it has been rolled into a circle shape and then been fried and then it has been served to you. The same way the ore is telling, we are taken from the ore bed and the mine, okay, were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. So cast and wrought means beaten up, shaped like this, rubbed like that way, cut the edges, and then hammered to design. They were beaten up to design. Were cut and filled and tooled and gauze to fit. They mean suppose that pipe is not fitting into some other pipe or some box, it was cut, edges are cut, made it a little sharp so it goes inside, and then they were tooled means they were pushed in and gauzed and then they were fit in. You can see some pictures here of some machine. There's a fan, then there's a TV, monitor, keyboard, mobile, then a refrigerator, grinding machine. These are the basic things what we require in our day-to-day life. So these pictures they have shown, these are the modern machineries what has been shown to you. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. Make a slip in handling us, you die. It is telling us one very important thing. Remember, the machine is telling, remember, please, the law by which we live means machines also have a law by which they live. Listen now, what is it is telling? We are not built to comprehend a lie. So machine cannot lie to you, a mobile, a computer cannot lie to you. You put 1 plus 1, it will give you 2. It will not give you 3. It will not give you 1. It will give you 1 plus 1 is 2 only. 1 plus 0 is 1 only. It cannot make more nor less. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. See, the machine cannot love you. If you are angry with the machine, you don't talk to the machine will not come behind you. It will be there only. You will say like, no, Baba, I have got urgent work, please work. It will not. If it is no, if some parts are gone or some parts are gone away, it will not show pity. And if you throw a mobile phone or if you throw some gadgets down, it will break. It will not say, okay, I forgive you, it's okay, come, I'll join again. No. Then make a slip in handling us, you die. Means what happens is somebody sitting, okay, and over their head you're holding a mobile phone or holding some heavy machine, okay, a hammer, and you drop down the hammer on their head. What will happen? Okay, it will be so like that you are breaking somebody's head, but then that person will not will die, but then you will not be you will be responsible for that. Or else you hold your iPhone or you hold your phone, okay, and you slip it and it falls in the water, your phone dies. Or else your glass breaks, and then what happens is you are at a loss. Some water, coal, and oil is all we ask, and 1,000 of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 24 hours a day. The machine is saying, I am not asking you something more to love me or to take care of me, to pamper me. No, it's saying, give me some water, coal, and oil. We ask, it's asking you, give me water, coal, and oil. If you see your bike, it is asking you petrol. If you have mobile is asking for recharge and is asking for the mobile to be charged. And that's all, and it will give you the best service you want. And now, if you will set us to our task, means telling if you make the mobile use as you want or the computer as you want, leave it for its time to work with you. We will serve you 20 and 20 hours a day. So you have to have like proper source. You have to, if it is a bike, you have to put proper petrol. If it is a mobile, you have to charge it properly. If it is whatever a computer, you have to, there should be flow of electricity for it to flow. So these people are dependent upon certain things for to start to give you them a service. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. It is telling, though our smoke may hide the heaven from the sky. So like you might have seen all the big factories, okay, factories, the chimneys are direct into the sky, and when they outlet the smoke, it is all like all dark and it is heavy. It will vanish and the stars will shine again. The smoke will vanish, the smoke will go, and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, because all our power, it will go off and weight and size. We are nothing more than children of your brain. So these machines are all made by us. They are all our children. They are made by us, and they all are nothing else but they are made by our creation, and they are our children. It is our creation and our children. So this is all about to say modern machinery. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any difficulty or any doubts, please call me or message me.